Well, today I'm going to harvest the rhubarb seeds. These are the two stalks that they sent up about March, I think it was, where the rhubarb decided to go to seed here. And it's actually one plant, but it sent up two seed stalks. And so it's been over 3 months that the seeds have been here. And the stalk, I've been watching it turn from green to kind of yellow and then light brown. And now they're completely, well, almost completely brown. They got a little bit of green in them, but I'll bring you in a minute to show you how you know when they're actually ready to harvest. But I've got my tub here, and it's funny. It's 99 degrees outside, and I had this sitting out for about 10-15 minutes, and it's already starting to melt. So yeah, we're not quite at 100. So once it hits 100, I'm going inside. But I'll bring you in and I'll show you how you know when these are actually ready to pick. Now hopefully it's in focus. I can't tell because it's so bright out here. But you'll notice when I pull up on this, look at those seeds. Just pull right off like that. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut these stems off and then turn them upside down and do it that way. But I wanted to basically show you just like that. They just pop right off. But all you do is just push on these stems here, and you see they just come right off just like that. Literally thousands of them. Just strips it clean. Push on it just like that, and off they come. In fact, these are like some of the easiest seeds to harvest that I've ever done before. This and spinach is kind of like that too. But these are the absolute easiest. Check this out. Look at all those. That's just one stalk. And one thing that's funny, when you cut these stalks, the seeds are so ready to come off the stem that even shaking it a little bit during the cutting, a whole bunch of the seeds just shoot off of there. Which is okay. I'm all right with that, because I have literally thousands and thousands of seeds right here. And if there are any that are kind of stubborn, like right there, I just don't even worry about them. I just run my hand like that. Whatever comes off easy, I know those are the ones that are ready to be harvested. There may be some that aren't, but that's okay. If I happen to find any green ones, like there's a green one right there, I don't know if you can see it. That's probably not viable. So, anyways, just from these two stalks, well, it was actually three. One of them was a really small one. But it was two main stalks. And I don't know if I mentioned this before. I did do it in a video a while back when I planted the seeds, that all of my rhubarb plants out here came from seeds that I planted. I didn't buy any rhubarb plants. Well, I have in the past. I did have some, but I moved them out of that bed, and actually I gave them away to a friend because I wanted the ones that I have to all be the same and all be seed grown. And you know the beauty of these? I don't have to do anything to these. They're ready to go. The easiest seeds on the planet to harvest, really. And this is June 21st. I'm going to let them dry on a newspaper. I'm going to spread them on a newspaper in the garage, let them dry for about 4 or 5 days, even though I know that they're almost completely dry because they've been in the sun we haven't had any rain for quite a while. And I know that they're dry, but I just want to completely make sure before I put them in envelopes. So I'll put a link below to my seed store, and you can go out and purchase some of these. Now, I should also mention that all of the rhubarb plants that I have in that bed right there were all grown from seed. And so they're called Victoria. And I've got more rhubarb than I know what to do with, and so you can too. Just grow some rhubarb from seed, and then if any of them happen to go to seed, just go ahead and save the seeds, and you've got rhubarb for the rest of your life. So thanks a lot for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, and make sure you hit that little bell so you get notifications when I upload a new video. All right, we'll catch you guys later.